cardboard door panels. Look at the flow. That trail right there, that's for, it's gonna be carpeted right there, so when people kick their feet down there, they ain't gonna fuck the council. Fiberglass there, you see it's molded. You see it's molded to the dash. Window switches gonna go in there. It's gonna flow to the back. Look at the art. Look at the art. The work. Suede. Got rear dash mocked up tomorrow. You put LEDs right here, flexi. That's all gonna light up. It's gonna flow. Door. New top. Trunk, you can see the sights. Trunk, gotta clean them out. Just gotta make the panel for right here. Right there. Right on the mesh grill, double layered mesh. Plexiglass logo is gonna go on the side. Monte Carlo right there. Just the killing part right here. Boone's Customs. Don't have you looking like everybody else. Remember, Suge was like, come on over to Death Row. The producer ain't gonna be all in the record. You know, all in your videos dancing. Come on over to Boone's Customs. We ain't gonna have you looking like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have you exclusive. You know, power locks, power windows. We didn't have no power locks. We're gonna put the power windows in here. It's looking marvelous now. Boone's Customs. Check this out.